Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today as usual we will discuss about a DAX function, a new DAX function, DATEDIFF. Basically DATEDIFF is used in date and time functions. So why we use DATEDIFF? DATEDIFF function is basically used to returns the number of unit can be specified in any interval, day, month, year and quarter, like that, between the two inputs, two dates. In simple way, you can find out the difference between two dates. Okay, if I'm giving you an example, like you have a date of suppose your date of birth is something like that 10th of November 1992, and you want how much month you have right now with respect to today's date. So you can use DATEDIFF function to calculate the difference between two dates. Okay, so if you want to find out the duration between two days with respect to day, month and year, you can use this DATEDIFF function. So let's go with our data model, how we can implement this. So we have a date column here, start date of fielding and end date of fielding. You can use any date column here. So let's create a new column. You can give any name to this column, like duration. I'm giving the duration. So type date, and if you type date, so it will give all the DAX functions that is inbuilt in PowerBI that start on date. So you can see here DATEDIFF function is coming here. So select this, and if you see that the function wants these type of values to execute the function. It wants date 1, date 2 and interval. So our date 1, as I earlier told you, we have a two date here, start date of fielding and end date of fielding. You can see that there is some difference between two dates. So we will add these date column here. So I'm typing start date of fielding, and then date 2. Date 2 is our end date of fielding. Type end date, and you can see that by typing the first string you can get the column name here, and date of fielding. Okay, and then comma. You can see that in interval you have these options: day, hour, minutes, month, quarter, second, week, year. So if you want the duration with respect to day, how much days between these two date column, so you can type day. So I'm typing day. Let's see. So it will give the output in the form of day, number of days. So you can see that we got our output here. So we have a 24 days difference between start date and end date. So start date is 7th of November and end date is 1st of December. So the duration between these is 24 days. And suppose if you want to see the result with respect to month, so you can type month here, and it will give the answer in month. Okay, so it will gives 1 month. So if you filter out this, we have a 3 months duration also. So you can see that our start date of fielding here is 15th of September and end date is 31st of December. So it will calculate the difference between month. So if you see that the duration between September and December is 3 months, October, November and December. It will not calculate the days. It is calculating here the total month. Okay, so let's see some other intervals here. We have calculated month here. We can calculate even year also. As you see that it gives the 0 because our year value is 2022. Let's see if I have a value of 2023 also in my data set. So this gives 1. So let's see our start date and end date. So you can see here our start date is year is 2022 and our end date of year is 2023. So it gives the difference between the year is 1 year. Okay, so you can do this with the help of DATEDIFF function. Apart from this, we have also some functions that you can calculate in your time number, also minutes and seconds. Right now I haven't any time listed here in my date column. So if you have a date in your data set, so you can calculate the difference between your with respect to minutes, seconds and hour as well. So I hope you like this, and if you have some query, please comment on my video, and please like and subscribe my channel for these useful videos. Okay, thank you so much.